Hello and welcome to today's tutorial on how to create a restaurant business plan. A business plan is the foundation of any successful restaurant, and it's essential to have a clear roadmap to guide your decisions and actions. Here are the steps to create an effective restaurant business plan. Start your business plan with an executive summary that provides an overview of your restaurant concept, target market, financial projections, and goals. Conduct research on the local market and competition to understand your target audience's needs, preferences, and trends. Define your restaurant concept, including the cuisine, ambience, decor, and service style. Develop a comprehensive menu that reflects your brand, target market, and culinary vision. Create a marketing strategy that outlines how you will promote your restaurant, attract customers, and build brand awareness. This includes online and offline tactics, such as social media, email marketing, events, and partnerships. Detail your restaurant's operations, including staffing, training, inventory management, supplier relationships, and technology solutions. Define the roles and responsibilities of the management team and staff. Develop a financial plan that includes revenue projections, cost analysis, break-even point, funding needs, and ROI expectations. This should also include your sales and marketing budget, capital expenditure budget, and operating expense budget. Include any additional information, such as resumes, legal documents, permits, licenses, and contracts. Remember, a restaurant business plan is a living document that should be regularly reviewed and updated based on market trends, customer feedback, and financial performance. By following these steps, you can create a comprehensive and effective restaurant business plan that will guide your success. Thanks for watching. How To series by Jayanti Kathale. She hold decade experience in restaurant business and more than decade on technology to use in businesses.